Hello students, these are the next three exercises of chapter number 9 vowel indication, exercise 36, 37 and 38. Let's start with exercise number 36 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. When can you ship the acid you sold to us last month? We are as busy as we can be just now, and the delay is causing much annoyance to our customers as well as loss to ourselves. You can rely on receiving the acid in 2 days. It will leave this city tomorrow, and we assume it will reach you the next day. We must apologize for the delay. Owing to the heavy losses caused by the fire at our factory last month, our stocks became too low. We are making up for lost time as fast as we can. Next is exercise number 37. Be ready on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. We are having a special sale of our essences as it is necessary to dispose of some of our stock as early as possible. How much shall we set aside for you? As we know just what you can use, we can, if you like, select a dozen cases and you can take them as soon as you are ready. Next is exercise number 38 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. We fear the cost of your steel fences is too high. Although we have bought them each season for the past 6 years, we think we shall lose business because we have to charge too much for them. In this city, we must sell at low rates if we are to make a success of our business. Owing to this fact, we have to emphasize the necessity of reducing as much as possible the costs to our customers. Can you suggest something which will assist us? सो दीज आर द नेक्स्ट 3 एक्सरसाइजेज ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 9 वोवल इंडिकेशन। आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू।